If you want to have a side-side chat, click on this icon and make it happen. Here is where you can adjust VoIP settings. Connect to Isabella VoIP to call a number or make phone calls in CollabMatrix. This is how you can add a new user to CollabMatrix. Your CollabMatrix user can be either a person or a company. You can also add your customer as a new user. They can remain as an external user and be in touch with some specific users or channels. That way, they won't be able to see other users' name or information. In Users icon, you can also see Users list, online users, latest users in past 10 days, settings in which you're able to use Bing Daily Image as wallpaper or upload login page image, permissions, where you can add a role to your user group, user, position group, and department. In logs and audits, you will find the latest actions of the users. Also, you will find both permissions and logs and audits in all of the setting icons. Click on User Groups to create a new group. In User Groups, both Groups list and Membership Levels list are available. Organizational structure provides the necessary information about the company. As we mentioned before, logs and audits tell us about the latest events as well as the content changes. In Registry icon, you can find all of the settings that we have discussed before. In Permission icon, you can specify the level of access for each setting. Regional settings give you some information about company's working hours as well as the events. In CollabMatrix Information Management, there are some icons like managing CollabMatrix channels and users or sending alerts to online users. Go to CollabMatrix Channel Management and click on Create Channel. Now fill out the form. Don't forget to save the information to create the channel. Go to the last icon, Form Builder, and click on New to create a new form. You just need to select a template and write the form name. Then go to the form list and choose the form you just made. From here, click on Design to see the default templates. The first icon is Form Fields, which has the basic default templates. From the next icon, you can add new fields to the template. For example, you can add an input box to the form and write a caption for it. And if you want them to select one icon out of multiple icons, choose the multiple field. In the multiple icon, you can adjust general settings or add specific tabs. For example, you can add options for your users to select between. From validation, you can choose whether the response to this field is mandatory or not. There are also other icons for this field, including display condition and control form items. There are also other fields like numeric, boolean, multi-select, date, time, file, location, and list. Based on your needs, you can choose any of them. And if you choose list field for your form, you can add more fields to it. Click here to see the properties, then we've got site preview and the panel preview. From this toolbar, you have access to general info, design, configuration which includes completion restrictions, change captions, submitter settings, and admin settings. You can also see permissions, images, language const, logs and audits. Now let's go to online forms to see our newly created form. Then click on Add Record and fill out the form. Once you're done, click on Send to Next Step and check the waiting icon. Your form can be either approved or rejected. And you can see all forms from here.